there, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. Are you tired of beauty advisors telling you to buy tons of beauty products that cost an entire fortune? I know, right? That's why in today's video, I'm gonna teach you some natural ways you can glow up without the risk of hurting your skin. Now, let's begin. Is your face breaking out? Any pimples? Acne? Don't worry, I got you covered. Number 1 tip, sugar scrubs. Sugar helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving your skin shiny and hydrated. Now towards the preparation. Grab a bowl. Pour in 1 tablespoon of sugar, honey, and almond oil. Mix it. Apply it to your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel relaxed after this. Number 2 tip, green tea. I know green tea sounds basic, but it really helps in blood circulation and skin elasticity to reduce aging. So never forget to kickstart your day with this morning beverage for glowing skin. Number 3 tip, aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel helps relieve sunburn, reduce skin irritation, and promote wound healing. Now towards the application method. Gently smear the gel on your face in a circular motion till it's all over your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. The gel will give your skin that hydration and freshness it's been looking for. Number 4 tip, honey and milk. Honey and milk is by far the oldest one here and by far best. So here's the preparation method. We'll need to get that bowl again. Mix the honey and milk together. Apply it on your face. Leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Make sure to rinse it off properly, cause girl, you do not want honey residue on your face. Number 5 tip, coconut water. Drinking coconut water enhances skin health and improves radiance and texture, making it really good if you want that crystal clear glowing skin. Now, my beautiful people, we've come to the end of this video. Please do make sure to try out 1 or 2 of these tips. And remember, consistency is the key. I'll be doing a part 2 of this video. If you want to see it, please do like and subscribe. Till then, babes, stay beautiful. Ciao.